But yeah, I think I'm probably gonna head out soon, like head out, and then I'll probably show you like when I have my fit, like when I have everything on, like I don't know, like just I don't really know what I'm doing, but we just go get through this. Make sure you, I really don't know what I'm doing, like I really don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna show you like I guess what I got on, and I'll go out, and then yeah, y'all see me in my next, you'll see like kind of like what I do. But yeah, I'm hungry. Thing about it is like I'm mad hungry, so I think I'm probably get some Taco Bell or something like that, so have like a little mukbang. Yeah, this style of filming is so different for me, like because I normally do voiceovers, but I got that, you know what I'm saying, this is the shirt. The shirt, like, it fits pretty good, you know what I'm saying? It's a good fitting shirt. I put the Dewey back on, you know what I'm saying? When I think when you're going out, like you're going in public, you can throw your do-rag on, and then you know, take it off when you get to where you're going. Like that's kind of like a little trick, but I'm not ironing this shirt, like for sure. I'm definitely not ironing that. So, you know, so I got the Abercrombie shirt on. I'm gonna throw on these. White Air Force Ones. If they get dirty, bro, these get dirty, bro, I do not wear them. Like, so I've been wearing them kind of frequently, not too much, but yeah, I just kind of like, I throw that on with them. And I throw this on, bro. Like this smells really good. It smells good, bro. It smells really good. So I wear that, and then yeah, and then we can head out. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe too. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and everything. Turn on post notifications and everything. You know, subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? I just uploaded a video too. I uploaded a video, you know, about how to wash 180 ways. I know you guys love those videos, so I wanted to make sure I came through for you guys, because you guys come through for me. So yeah, just make sure y'all watch my videos, turn post notifications, tell your friends, you know, do all that. Leave your gamer tags if you got a PS4. I really wanted to get into, I want to play some Fortnite. Like I really want to get into some Fortnite for real. To be honest. Oh snap. Let me turn the camera off. I'll be right back. Let me see, I forgot my wallet. So I gotta go get my wallet. So I gotta go not too far. I don't have to go that far, which is not bad. I have gas, so I'm good. All these cars keep coming, but yeah, I gotta go get my wallet. I forgot my wallet. You know what I'm saying? All these cars are literally coming. So I gotta go get my wallet. I do not feel like going to go get it, but you need money. You gotta have money to do stuff. So go get my wallet. Great. I gotta go get my wallet. Hungry. I want some Taco Bell, bro, for real. Yeah. Let me get 3 hard shell tacos.
3 hard shell tacos. Do you want the combo?
Yeah.
Did you want the Supreme or you want regular?
Give me Supreme. Alright. Alright, what I gotta do?
Okay, so you gotta go to tellthebell.com, right? Bam. And then you gotta go and fill in the little code right there. And then go and put highly satisfied for everything. And my name is right there, Divine, and this is Leah. Bam.
Alright.
And you get a free slushie of your choice after you do it.
Alright.
So there you go. Don't not do it, because in the camera gonna see you do it. Not even.
Oh my god. Come on. Okay, this is you too, I'm gonna do the survey. But oh snap. Oh shit. But we gotta do that. We gotta do the mukbang. We're gonna do the mukbang. It's gonna be fire. Make sure you watch that. We getting ready. We getting ready for the what you call it. So make sure you get that. And bro, this vlogging thing is actually kind of lit. Like I like it. Like it's lit. So yeah. Let's get it. Run the likes up, boy. Come on. Thank you for tuning in to my vlogmas. But so yeah, so we, you know, 180 ways we take it over. Like 180 ways, that's just what it is. That's what it do. That's what I'm gonna do. I like 180 ways. So I'm out here vlogging. I'm vlogging, right? I'm in Georgia and everything. Georgia, pretty much no one does vlog. No one vlogs. Like no one like takes it seriously. Like nobody films. Nobody knows how. Oh snap! Don't get down my pants. So like I don't understand why not. Because people have like more followers than I do, but nobody vlogs here. So I'm literally out here with the camera and whatnot. Hold on, I want it. I'm kind of hungry too, so like I'm out here filming or whatever. People are looking at me crazy. As long as it's so much fun, like it's really fun. Like when you have followers or whatever, because I have like, I get views. Like you guys like my content. I really love you guys today. This would not be possible. I don't think I would be doing this if I didn't have like loyal subscribers that I do. Like you guys subscribe to me on YouTube, like you follow me on Instagram, you follow me on Snapchat. Like you guys do a lot for me. So I mean, this is like the least I can do. But anyway, so I'm out filming. I'm out filming videos. People are like, what the fuck? Like, what are you? They're asking me like what I do, and I'm telling like YouTube. Like y'all need to try YouTube. YouTube is so much fun, and you know we should grow. Like this should be a thing that more people do, because I mean people hate their jobs and everything, so it's like why not? Oh shit. I have to clean my car out. I just wasted all that shit. But yeah, so you know I do YouTube. I love doing it. I've always have been. But yeah, so it's adjustment. It's an adjustment trying to film and film in front of people, like, and I don't have anybody with me. I'm gonna do vlogs with people, like that's for sure, because it's fun, bro. It's so much fun because people are they're interested. People will look at you and they'll be like what does he do? What does he do? And I just love explaining it. Like it's literally really cool. Like I don't even know why I haven't done this before, because YouTube pays me. Like YouTube literally pays me to film videos, so I don't know why I never done it, but I'm falling in love with vlogging. So this vlogmas, I'm enjoying it. I'm having so much fun. Like this is literally the first day, but I'm just so thankful. I'm so thankful. I know it's been Thanksgiving, but I know I keep saying that, but bro, like it's literally an eye-opener that I'm able to do this, bro. Like it's crazy. I really do appreciate it. So I really want to do, like, my plans pretty much, I really want to do more videos. I want to do more vlogs too. For my channel, I want to do both. Like I want to do, you know, by professional voiceovers. Like I want to keep doing those, and then I want I'm literally not even eating because I'm having so much fun vlogging, bro. Like it's literally crazy. It's literally crazy, but as I was saying before, I think my camera's about to die, which is okay because I'm almost done. But I want to get more videos involved. I want to film more good videos for you guys. So just stay tuned, stay subscribed, make sure you like, comment, and do all that good stuff, because I really do see it. I really do appreciate it. But I got more stuff coming. I promise y'all, I got more stuff coming for y'all. Bro, this is literally, it's so much fun. I'm just gonna let my camera die, so whenever it dies, it dies. But thank you, and I'll be back with another video. I promise. I'm out.